YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm feeling so not zen. The beginning of January, bitch, I was on my shit, okay? Let me tell you. No, but high key, beginning of January, I was on my shit, you guys. I was on the grind, like taking care of business. I was on a really great workflow, on a really great like creativity flow. I created some shorts, I created some reels. Like I was feeling myself, okay? I was meditating every night, and by meditating it's just like writing in my planner like for the week and stuff, but I was sticking with it. I'm still trying to do that. I still am trying to like stick with it and really take some time for myself. However, I don't know what's going on. I think I'm like getting sick, honestly. Right now has not been a vibe. Like I don't know if you can even tell, but I haven't been sleeping like at all. As you can tell, my room is a mess, and I think that might be what is going on with my face. Like something looks wrong. Like I look puffy. Like I'm looking at the viewfinder right now. I'm looking like puffy, and like I think I'm honestly genuinely getting sick. So that's wonderful. Like right before my birthday. Thanks. Anyways, as you guys can see, my bedroom is a disaster. Literally. It's all clean though. I will say, I'm not that gross. But I just want to like reorganize and just like give everything a home. I've been living here. I moved in here in June, was it? June. And I'm just such a big nester. I'm such a big homebody. And it's still taking me a really long time to like feel like this is my space. Like this is my room. And yeah, I don't know. So I just want to do like a decluttering, I guess, like more so organizing my stuff, and just kind of like going through some things. Like look at that. Like do 28-year-olds leave piles of laundry in their room? I don't know. Like do 28-year-olds like lay down and just like contemplate their entire existence? Do 28-year-olds also have like super chapped lips like this? Like I thought that by 28 I would have it figured out, but I don't. Anyways, there's no premise for this video. I just want to get one up before February begins because Emily, Alexis, and I are all Aquariuses, by the way, and we are throwing a party, and I'm going to vlog it for you guys. And just like my birthday endeavors in general. Like I'm getting some fun stuff. I'm getting a new weave and stuff. Like I'm going to be 28. Like I want to start like I want to like clean everything and like just start new. Then I'll do my luxurious skincare routine. I've been slugging, and I posted on my Instagram stories talking about it, and everyone was asking me about it, and I was like, oh my god, I did not realize that many people were interested in slugging, because I thought I'm always like behind on the trends, but I guess for this one I'm like kind of ahead of it. So I figure I'll show you guys in detail what I do here in a video, and then also I gotta film like a reel for you guys too. And I'll do that tonight too. Both my roommates are gone. They're partying. It's a Friday, but I'm gonna be 28, so like mama can't hang like that anymore. Like I have to pick and choose these days on like when I wanna disperse my energy, because I have like basically none of it anymore. Anyways, okay. Should we get cleaning? Let's get cleaning. Okay, we are definitely making some progress. I kind of had to like clean everything up first before I start making it worse again. I am gonna start like reorganizing everything. I did just sort of declutter my room before I moved in here, or when I moved in here pretty much. So I don't know if I necessarily will be getting rid of a bunch of stuff. I want to, but I just don't know if I will because I won't be able to get it back right away basically, or like replenish it with something that I actually want. So I am holding on to a lot of stuff just to have options. And I do honestly make the most out of my wardrobe, I will say. Like, even if it's not necessarily how I personally feel like my style is, like, I still wear everything, so it's not like it's being wasted. Holy crap. Okay, I literally don't know how people in New York do it. Like, I literally don't know how. This is the best that I could do. Even with what I was working with, it looks crazy. But I'm thinking like down the road, I'll find better ways to organize everything. These are just like extra t-shirts that I just don't want crammed in there anymore. I do also have a ton of stuff crammed underneath my bed too. So maybe I can find a better way to utilize underneath my bed storage. Over here, this is gonna have to be a project for another night considering it is already 11:36. Yeah, and I wanted to go to bed early tonight. That's not gonna happen, but this I feel like I could do better. I just don't know, like, I don't know. If you guys have any tips or tricks on how to like help utilize like small space. I mean, this whole entire house does not have much closet space, and all three of us, Alexis, Emily, and I, all three of us do struggle with it a little bit. This looks, I still need to do this, but I just like don't know if I have the energy today, but I will get it done, I promise. Now I'm gonna do my skincare and show you guys what I do for slugging, and then we'll end the video because there really wasn't much else. If you haven't already watched my Vlogmas videos, you honestly should, because I feel like that will get you like right on track of my life and like what has been going on with me and where I plan to go and what I'm doing, where I'm going, and yada yada yada. So if you're new here, then definitely check those out. First of all, well, hi, hello, I love you. But also check those out because that will like really get you guys up to speed on who I am as a person and my life. Okay, sorry for the weird camera angle, but I'm too lazy to get my tripod. First things first, what I start with in terms of my slugging routine is just a cleanser. And I don't use a makeup remover. I should probably, but I don't. So sometimes I will cleanse twice. But basically what I'm using right now, it always changes, but the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. And I like it so far. My boyfriend got it for me for Christmas. Next, what I do, and I don't know if this is like the right order for this. A long time ago, I got the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment from Sunday Riley. And it says it deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots and discolorations. Instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. I don't use it every day because I fear that it might be too much for my skin if I use it every day. But I do whenever I do the slugging. I also don't do slugging every day, by the way. But whenever I do the slugging, I just like to add it into the routine. I feel like it's pretty luxurious. But I don't know if it's necessary, I guess. I don't think it really hydrates. It makes me feel bright, I guess, and beautiful. And it comes in this very fancy bottle. And next, once again, this order could be wrong. I don't know if it matters either. I will do an oil and a serum. And I think I do the oil first and then the serum. Oh, you know what? I think it's serum then oil. So we'll do that. The serum that I use is the Rodan and Fields. And then the oil that I use is the Drunk Elephant. I just basically want my skin to be like greasy as hell. I like to put a lot around my mouth because that's like, obviously, I was just saying how dry my lips are. So I feel like around my mouth is like where I need it the most. I'll still put in my T-zone, but honestly my T-zone is what gets so oily like throughout the day, and I've always been oily in my T-zone, even as a young little lad. My mouth and around my nose and my eyes, I guess, is like my biggest concern. And then I let that like absorb into my skin for a minute or so before I go ahead in with the oil. Beautiful! My skin is so greasy right now, but I love it! Yeah! I think I did do that right. Yeah, because like I feel like oil just like sits on top of you, whereas like a serum like goes in. So I feel like I did do that right. Like you would want to do the serum first, but who knows? I could be fucking it up. So while I wait for that to dry, I'm gonna brush my teeth. And you know what else hot girls do? Hot girls floss, bitch. Then I finish up with a moisturizer. And this one changes all the time. I just basically use whatever I have. And that is the look. The look? The skincare of the night. Ooh. Sitting above the shower curtain, like high key. I look dewy as fuck. And it does feel nice to like walk into my room and be able to see my floor a little bit. That is wonderful. My room is definitely not done. It will never be done, honestly. Like I have so much more organization to do. Basically, that I think is what I will be focusing on for February, is just like really cleaning this room and trying to make it personalized to me and like my wardrobe and get things for better organization. I just want to come home and feel like I love being in this room and nesting in this room. I don't really know what to call this video. It was just kind of like just me getting ready for this change that I'm about to endure. I don't know, I always get a little weird around my birthday. Like I love my birthday. I love being an Aquarius, but I do feel like, especially the past couple of years, I've been going through such huge milestone transitions in my life that like, I don't know, each like New Year and each birthday and each like Christmas and like, and I don't know, any of the holidays are like a really good mark for me to like see where I've been, see where I'm going, see how I was last year. Like it's just like I don't know, it's like a weird time stamp for like the past, present, and future. 26 and 27 were probably one of the worst couple years of my life. And also, as you guys know, the past summer, like my family selling that home was like a really big transition for me. I almost feel like that was the step in the direction of me feeling like I'm entering womanhood. Like I feel like I have always wondered how and when I'll become like a woman, and now I think that it's finally hitting me that I am a woman, you know? So it's been a few days since those previous clips. I was just gonna end the vlog there, but there's been a lot of different stuff going on right now, and I just wanted to sit down and talk to the camera and just kind of like let it out, I guess. I'm currently at my parents' right now because I am sick and I just like to be home whenever I don't feel good. I'm pretty sure in those clips I was saying I think I'm about to get sick, and I jinxed myself because I definitely did. And it's so annoying. I just got over it around Vlogmas, like December time. I just got over it. And now here we are back again. I'm just hoping that I can cleanse my body before my birthday because I have so much to do. And I was on such an up, and now I'm like feeling like pretty down about a lot of different things. Yesterday I got a phone call from my mom, frantic, asking me to come here, and when I had asked why, she told me that my aunt had passed away, and the people who found her in her house was my dad and his nephew, her son. I don't know, it was just like a really hard thing to experience yesterday for me. My dad and her were really close. To even think about like that with my sister. Like I don't know how my dad is even handling it right now. It's not like she was 98 years old and just like on her last, you know, bit of life. Like she was my parents' age, so it's just really scary to think about. We are very blessed to have like a very supportive family on both ends. And then today I got a call, an urgent call from my ex-boyfriend, Patrick. If you guys have been watching me for that long, then you probably have met Patrick in some of my videos in the past. We still are friends to this day, and he's in the military, and he had called me to talk basically about the fact that he had found out that one of his friends from his location, I guess, had committed suicide. He was feeling pretty sad, and I think looking to me for like some cheering up, and unfortunately I'm like in a very strange place too. And when I moved back from Florida, I just feel like ever since then my life has just been like waves, you know, of good, and then I get a wave that crashes on me and I just feel like I'm being sucked under. I just feel like I'm drowning. I just feel like every time I get like one foot out of the trenches, something like slurps me back down. I'm very blessed. I'm very, very blessed to have such a supportive family, supportive friends. I love all my friends to death. I don't know where I would be without my family or my friends. And I know that I'll be okay, but it's just been hard. I just wanted to talk it out. I'm gonna be okay, obviously, like don't worry. But I just wanted to like, just to get it out of my chest. I've been feeling a lot of different things right now, a lot of different emotions, a lot of different stressors, and I don't know, it's been a rough couple of years, and I'm really hoping, despite the sad news starting off for the new year, and for my birthday, I'm hoping that in the months to come I'll be receiving lots of joy, happiness from within myself and from external. An abundance of joy is what I would like. So yeah, I don't know. Thanks if you guys got to this part of the video. Thanks for watching. If you're going through something right now too, just know that you're not alone. I'm here for you, and we'll get through this together. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm not sure when or what that will be yet, but I will film our birthday celebration at least, so yeah. Okay. Goodbye, you guys.